Hello friends, we are talking about surface tension today. Surface tension is the property of the free liquid surface to behave like a stretch elastic membrane having a natural tendency to contract as if it is under tension. Actually, surface tension that is capital T is defined as it is the force of contraction capital F per unit length that is capital L acting on an imaginary line drawn on the liquid surface in equilibrium. The mathematical formula of the surface tension is capital T is equals to F by L. F is the force of contraction and L is the line of length. So, SI unit of surface tension is Newton per meter and CGS unit is dyne per centimeter. Its dimension is L0, M1 and T raised to the power minus 2. Some examples of the surface tension are small insects can walk freely over the liquid surface due to the phenomena of the liquid surface tension. Another example is toothpaste spread more freely in the mouth while cleaning the mouth because it contains soap which reduces surface tension. Another example is if the detergent is added in water, the surface tension of resulting detergent solution becomes less than the water. This increases the area of contract and cleaning ability of soap solution. Some examples of liquids and their surface tensions at 20 degrees Celsius. In case of CO2, it is 0.00116 Newton per meter. In case of ether, it is 0.016 Newton per meter. In case of alcohol, it is 0.021 Newton per meter. In case of water, it is 0.0727 Newton per meter. And last, in case of mercury, it is 0.4355 Newton per meter. Now, the effect of temperature on surface tension. This topic is very important. Actually, if the temperature of the liquid increases, the distance between the liquid molecules also increases. So, this decreases the cohesive force of attraction between the molecules, which ultimately decreases the surface tension of the liquid. So simply we can say that the surface tension of the liquid is inversely proportional to the temperature of the liquid.